Hi guys.
I'll take my whiskey neat, my coffee black and my bed I breathe. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me. I take my whiskey neat, my coffee black and my bed I breathe. You're too sweet for me.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday, what's up? Tuesday 26th. I don't know if you guys can see. Sorry for the weird angle, and welcome to a new vlog. If this is the first time you're seeing this face, my name is Ijimofo Ifeanyichukwu Victoria. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're an OG, you know I really appreciate you guys. I'm wearing this medical team. I know you guys can't see me, like I said, awkward angle. I'm currently dressed in my NYC clothes. I'm sweating, so I apologize, but I am dressed. I want to go to my CDS, that's medical CDS, and in Surulere, that's where we usually gather. Today is Tuesday, like I said. I want to go to my CDS and do one or two things there, and also see if I can get my clearance for April, because April is already around the corner. Like I said, today is 26, so by next week we should be doing our clearance for April. What else? I also want to see if I can stop by Miniso, and that's kind of one of the reasons why I picked up this camera, because I didn't want to just start the vlog abruptly without like introducing you guys or saying hi. But anyway, I'll see you guys much later on. Okay, I don't want to do so much talking. Bye guys.
No, so I'm just walking. Alright, let's go to Miniso and see if we can get what we want. Alright? Yeah. Miss Miniso. First off, we need. Why is anybody here? Because it's looking quiet. Okay. Let's go here. Oh, it's 9:05 now. Jesus. Oh, this used to be so cute. First, it's in the 3,000, 4,000 range, but now it's 9,500. So expensive. Take some pills, taking a pill. Give me some different. This one. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's like they have like bath bombs. It's so cute. This bath bomb is so cute. Don't know how much. See, they have more bath bombs. They're so fine. Happy what? Oh, but it's 12,000. It's so cute. You see how fine it is. Hi guys. Their glasses. Glasses collection. So fine. Their top collection is missing. Price point now. It's like 7,555.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is Sunday. Happy Easter. Oh my god, happy Easter. Christ is risen. I'm really excited. I'm running late, but I decided I won't go to church today. I walked yesterday, so I feel very tired, but I still want to go to church. Have a lovely Sunday. I just feel like saying that even if you're not where you want to be and you're going through a lot and you can't explain it, Christ is risen. You have a reason to have hope. Let's go to church, guys.
That same power that brought him from the dead, available in my life, this morning.
another dimension where you say we're small and not worth the mention. Where you're tired of moving, your body's aching. We could vacate, there's places to go. I don't want your body, but I hate to think about you with somebody else. Our love's gone cold, you're intertwined with your soul with somebody else.
I'm also buying joggers for my mom.
Leaving with somebody else. No, I don't want your body.
Mommy, come and test it for me.
With somebody else.
The gym is fine. The gym is very fine, but it's too long for my mom. You try this one next. I'm going to buy boxer. Apparently this is a large size. I like the size that she's with, but I also like this one. It's a bit large, but let's be same. Okay, this is medium, this is large. I don't know which of them I like more. Today is Sunday, 7th of April. I just had my bath. It is very hot, extremely hot. If you hear any background noise, it's most likely my fan. I cannot afford to put it off. Let's do our skincare. First off, I'm starting with my toner. But I really like this toner so far. It has been very, very, very hydrating on my skin. I haven't seen any reason not to. So if it finishes, I might actually consider repurchasing it. The only thing is that sometimes it has this like sticky feel. I don't know how to explain it, but that sticky feel when it's dried. So after the toner, I usually go in with my serum. I'm currently using a caffeine. While my toner is getting dried, I wanted to gist you guys about this show I saw on Cruise. I think the name of the YouTube channel is Cruise, and it was them interviewing like 4 or 5 couples, I think. And there was this really, the people that are the center of my attention is this really older couple, like my parents kind of age couple, and they were so cool. Like you could tell that they genuinely liked each other. Like when they were trying to remember, oh, how did we even fall in love? We've been dating, we've been married for like 25 years. 25 years? Sometimes I'm amazed at how long our parents are married or together. But anyway, they were like, oh, we've been together for 25 years. What don't you like about me? Like the way they were soft with each other. It was so nice. I don't know. I just feel really giddy when I see like older couples together and they like each other. Like they genuinely enjoy feeding from each other's like energy. Like even when the woman was like, I don't like when he does it. You know, your parents are complaining, and she was like, I don't like it when I make food and you're like, I don't like it. Especially when we're in public. Wait and tell me in the house. He was like, I didn't know that it was pinging you like that. Oh yeah, I will stop. Or when she was like, I remember the first time when we fell in love together was when we were talking about, I don't know, it was just nice. It was just nice. Anyway, serum, my face feels kind of sticky already, so that has dried down. It was just nice. There was a younger couple, there was this other people that they were still dating, this other couple that they were married, but it was just the older ones that made me feel really good. Do you get, like, seeing really like grown couples go through things and they are still very soft and like each other? Just, you're like, this is what I want. Do you get, this is what I want. Anyway, after this one though, the serum doesn't waste so much time to dry. I'll just go in, because it's still bright out here, I'll just go in my vitamin C face cream. It acts like a moisturizer, and that will be it for my skincare. I realized that this vlog was kind of like a quiet vlog. I didn't really want to say much. If you haven't, please like this video, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. We're growing, and I feel like in like, because last time I checked, our number was 391, so like in less than, let's say, 10 more people, we're going to be 400, and we're going to be 400, guys. I'm going to be so excited. So please like, please subscribe, all that good stuff. Share if you know your friends that really enjoy YouTube videos and you think that they will like my vibe. Please share. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Have an amazing week. Bye. Bye.